Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy, filling and nutrient dense oats recipe ideal as a quick breakfast or as a dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in half cup old-fashioned rolled oats. I prefer to use old-fashioned rolled oats because they are high in fiber. However, you can use instant oats if you prefer. Into this, I'm adding in some water and I'm allowing the oats to soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now the reason why you need to soak the oats before using them is to release the phytic acid content in oats. Grains like oats contains phytates, which are a nutrient inhibitor and may cause digestive issues like indigestion, gas, bloating, etc. to some people. So it's always ideal to soak the oats for a little time and then use it. Okay, it's about 5 minutes now. I'm going to add the oats onto a strainer and rinse it under running water. Okay, now I have rinsed the oats under running water and I'm going to keep it on the strainer like this. I'm heating my cast iron kadai with 2 teaspoons wood pressed coconut oil. Instead of wood pressed coconut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood pressed oil of your choice. You can also use A2 desi ghee instead of wood pressed oils. Once the oil is heated, add in half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. Once the jeera splutters, add in half onion finely sliced. Give it a stir. I have finely chopped 1 green chilli, 3 cloves of garlic and 1/4 inch of ginger. I am adding it into the onions. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and give it a good mix. Allow the onions to saute until transparent. And once the onions are transparent, some fresh curry leaves. Just stir the curry leaves and add it in. I like to use curry leaves in my recipes as they are a good source of iron and folate. Into this I'm adding in 1/4 cup green peas, 1/4 cup grated carrot, 1/4 cup chopped capsicum, pink Himalayan salt as needed. Reduce the flame to the lowest and give it a good stir. Drizzle in 1 tablespoon water. Cover and allow the vegetables to get cooked. Instead of the vegetables I'm using, you can use any seasonal vegetables of your choice. You can also use green leafy vegetables which are in season. About a minute later, open the lid, give it a good stir. Add in the soaked and rinsed oats. 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, 1/3 teaspoon garam masala. Give it a good mix. Cover for about a minute. After about a minute, open the lid. Give it a good stir. Sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Turn off the flame. Squeeze in half a lemon. Give it a good stir. And my super healthy vegetable oats burji is ready to serve. You can enjoy this as a filling meal for breakfast, lunch or for dinner. So guys, do try this healthy oats recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.